everybody. It's been a very long time since I made a video. It's been a really busy year. Got married last spring. We just celebrated our first wedding anniversary last month. So now that I have some time, I figured I'd get back into YouTube. So this first video is going to be a baking tutorial. I made some doggy treats for Marley. He's laying right down there. These are the treats I made. They're Pup Chips, doggy chips. These look like, Doritos. And the next one is peanut butter oatmeal cookie. And he loves both of them. Marley approved. He loves the chips and the cookies, of course. So enjoy the video. At the end of it, there's going to be some more information about the giveaway. The first thing we're going to make is savory Pup Chips. The ingredients you will need are 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, brown rice flour, 1 1/4 cups, 1 jar of baby food of your choice, either meat flavor, sweet potato, whatever you want. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You'll need a non-stick baking sheet. You're going to start by mixing the oil with the baby food, just until it's combined. Then add the flour. And by then you're going to have kind of like a dry dough. So you're going to want to add 3 tablespoons of water. 3 tablespoons should be enough. It's like a dry dough, not too sticky, not too dry, but pliable. Then you're going to roll it out onto your baking sheet. You can either use a rolling pin or a small glass, whichever you have on hand. So you want the batter pretty thin, so when it bakes and after it dries, the chips stay crispy and they don't get chewy. Now you're going to want to either use a pizza cutter or a knife, and you're going to cut the dough into any shape you want. You can use little mini cookie cutters, but I just used a knife and I made triangle shapes just like chips. Now you'll bake them for about 15 minutes or until the dough starts to separate and becomes a golden brown. As you can see, the dough separated. They're just a little golden brown around the edges. It took about 20 minutes in my oven, so it all depends on your oven. Okay, now we're gonna make some sweet peanut butter and oatmeal cookies. The ingredients you will need is vegetable oil, peanut butter, water, whole wheat flour, and oatmeal. Now, either by hand or using an electric mixer, you're going to mix together the water, the oil, and the peanut butter and mix it just till it's combined. Then you'll add the flour. Add a little bit at a time. I added about half and then half, and after each half you add, just make sure it's all mixed and incorporated. And after all the flour is mixed in, then you'll add the oatmeal. Now the dough is going to be a little sticky, but the oatmeal is going to suck up some of the moisture, so when you start rolling out, it won't be that sticky. At this time you want to preheat your oven, and you're going to use a ungreased baking sheet. Roll out your dough and cut into the desired shapes you want. You can use mini cookie cutters, you can use regular cookie cutters, depends on how big your dog is. I'm using this little glass, it's about the size of a cookie, just big enough for my dog. And just continue to cut out the disc from your dough until all the dough is finished. Place on your baking sheet and bake in the oven for 30 minutes until you see the edges become a little golden brown. So I decided to make this video giveaway just to celebrate me coming back into YouTube. Usually I do contests, but this one's just going to be a giveaway. And the giveaway prizes are going to be one, this dog toy. It's a rope slash bottle holder. You just stick a plastic bottle down in the middle. So, Marley loves to chew on bottles, so he loves this toy. I have another one, but this is handmade. I sewed it. So, another one is a doggy bed. This isn't a finished doggy bed. Here's a picture of a finished one. So that's the doggy bed. So here's the colors for this one. I still have to add some things and finish it, but it's going to be an unstuffed dog bed. So there's going to be an opening in the back where you can put pillows in or old blankets, so you can make it less puffy or as puffy as you want for your dog. This is going to be about a size for a medium to small dog. Unless your dog or your large dog likes small pillows to lay on, but it's about 24 by 24 right now, but it's going to be about 2 inches bigger on all sides, so it's going to be pretty big. So those are the prizes for the giveaway. All the rules and stuff are going to be down in the description, so I'll let you know how to enter. And thank you for watching this video. I plan to make some more tutorials for cooking and crafting, and I don't know about makeup, but we'll see what happens. Bye.